Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, my name is Julie. I like to talk about handbags here on this channel. And if you're not new and you're returning, thank you guys so much for joining me again for another video. So today I have a very exciting unboxing, and this is kind of an unplanned spur of the moment unboxing, and it's from Coach, no other. I am still on a low buy year. I think I've only bought maybe 3-ish bags. I've sold a few bags as well. So I kind of feel like I'm definitely like at 1 in, 1 out ratio at this point. But yeah, this was one that I was just like, I'm really intrigued by it. I saw it last time I was in Coach and I was like, what the hell? I'll just go ahead and get it. So here we have the box. My store gift wrapped it for me. My store is the Oak Park Mall store in Kansas City. And I love the ladies and the gentlemen that work there. They're so helpful. So here we have the box. And then here we have the bag. Now, you're probably gonna be like, okay, that's not a very large bag. It's not. So this is a very much a small bag. And we'll go ahead and just pull it from the tissue here. You might be able to tell what it is. And you're probably also gonna be like, that is not what we were really thinking that you would get. So here we have, guys, the Coach Lana 19. Can you believe it? This bag is absolutely darling. It's freaking darling. I do have the Lana 23 here in black on black. I love this bag. This is like one of my top used Coach bags. I felt like I needed to have its little baby sister here. So I've got him and now I have her. And now there is a significant size difference, like capacity wise. So why don't I go ahead? I'm going to undress her, get her out of the packaging, and then we'll just go over a few of the specs. I want to just talk to you a little bit about the bag, and then I want to show you what I'm going to fit into it. Just coming out of my Lana 23, I want to show you just a big difference in the size and capacity. All right, so here we have her all undressed. This, again, I don't know if I said this, it's the colored chalk, and they did have ivory in the regular Lana 23, and now they've brought it out in chalk in the all the Lanas. So yeah, it's chalk with brass hardware here. Here's the side with the hang tag, the back, the side, and then the bottom does not have feet, which is a little bit of a bummer. I wish it did have feet on the bottom, you know, just because this is a lighter colored bag. So, but yeah, it's got the same organization as the Lana, as all the Lanas. It has the 2 side pockets, and then it does have the little middle pocket there, which this is going to be a pocket. I know I'm going to stick my AirPods in the middle. I know I'm going to put like a few lip products probably in the middle. Now, my phone will fit inside of this bag. I have moved back from a max size phone to a regular size iPhone recently, and it's gonna fit in this bag just fine. And then I use a card holder all the time, and then my key pouch will fit into this bag. It actually surprisingly can hold quite a bit more than one would think. So, but yeah, then now this one does come with a beautiful long crossbody chain strap. And it looks really, really nice on the body, and it drapes really beautifully on this bag. It just is a beautiful pairing. I kind of wished that they did sell you with this, like a skinny leather crossbody strap. I do have a thick chalk one that goes to my soft tabby and chalk that I have, but I don't think it's gonna look the best because this bag is so dainty and small. I would prefer a skinny chalk crossbody strap, but you know what? I know I'm gonna wear it with this chain strap quite a bit. And then not only that, but I'm gonna wear this on some of my Dooney and Burke Florentine bags, kind of draped on it like multiple times. I think it's gonna be really nice. The chain strap is light. It's actually kind of more of like a hollowish chain strap. You can kind of hear it. It's a little bit lighter, but honestly, that's not too bad of a thing in my opinion, because it's just a light carry. Like, this is gonna be perfect for the summertime. I know it will be. This is gonna be great on those just, I don't wanna carry a whole lot of things days, which is a lot of times how I roll in the summer. So I just wanna show you let's go ahead and move through what I'm gonna pack in this bag. Let's see, this is just a regular size iPhone. I know a Max won't fit in here, but this is my son's iPhone. I think it's a 12. So this is my littlest son's phone, and it fits inside that lower pocket there. In the middle, I'm gonna stick my AirPods. I'm gonna stick a chapstick, which could also just be like a lipstick. I know I have to have my card holder. I'll put that right by the phone. I have to have my keys. Now this is very bulky. This is like a Dunienberg Florentine pouch with my keys in it. I can stick that in one slot, and sunglasses are a must have for me. So I've transferred them to this soft pouch here. That's going in. And then also I have my business cards, which, my goodness, I'm kind of shocked all this can fit. And then also I have a Touchland. That's not gonna necessarily fit in the middle, but I can kind of stack it here. Man, okay, so this bad boy has all of those things inside. I know this is like really impossible to see, but now keep in mind, you don't have a closure on the two sides, but I mean, I have got a ton of stuff in this bag. So she is packed to the gills. You do have I can't really have that bump sticking out there. Let me fix that. So yeah, I turned that card holder around so that bump's not there. And then, yeah, she is just good to go and packed. I love it, I do. And that's putting my phone inside. Now, you could leave your phone out and just put it in your back pocket. You know, that's how a lot of times I will roll, especially like in the summer. A lot of times I do like to have my phone secured inside of a bag. So yes, here we go. Now this is what it looks like on, I'm sorry, I have my microphone right there. So this is how it lays on me. I'm 5'8", and yes, it's just so nice. Now, I was able to fit everything from my Lana 23 that I was carrying in my Lana 23 into the Lana 19 minus my seeing glasses for driving. Now, because I only wear these in my car whenever I drive, I can just keep them in my car and that'll be okay. I love to have at least one pair, either my sunglasses or my seeing glasses, at all times with me. I really, really have to have hand sanitizer because I go to the gym now a lot. And then my business cards, my actual real card holder. Here is the iPhone. Here is my sunglasses in a soft pouch. And then here's this pouch. And then in the middle, I mean, seriously, this is like a little baby clown car. I'm really impressed, Coach. So then I have these two items. So my goodness, I am really, really impressed. And yeah, she's just a solid, sturdy baby. I think that the pebbled leather on these bags is some of the most durable pebbled leather ever. I will definitely be able to wear this whenever it rains and not worry about it. I don't have to worry about scratches with this bag. And yeah, I'm just really excited. Now, at Coach, they had this bag offered in clay suede. They had it in warm brown suede, black, muted olive, which is, if I'm gonna be honest, muted olive looks a little bit like it's just not an attractive color to me. I'm so sorry, don't come for me, but it's just not as beautiful as like the real olive by Coach. It's just not, to me, an attractive color. And then they had chalk, and then what else did they have? I think they had it in this color called ash, which is like more of like a neutral grayish color, which was really nice too. I settled on chalk because Chalk's like one of my top favorite colors actually with brass hardware, besides black, of course. And now that I have this one, I wanted to have the other neutral. Let's just see real quick what she looks like with the cherry charm on her. So she kind of hangs a little low, but I don't know how I could fix that. And then what I did see that was so cute, Alyssa from the Gals Guide, she showed this on her channel, and you can kind of like twist this strap. So this is what Alyssa did. It was like, oh my God, I love it. But yeah, you can like make it look like this and just carry it like by top handle. So cute. Or if I had like another strap, I could strap it in and just wear it and then keep the chain and use it as decor. But isn't that just so precious? Guys, I love this little baby. And yeah, I didn't think I could ever go this small, but knowing that this is just gonna basically be like spring, summer, I'm so pumped. So yeah, she's so pretty. The other thing I just love so much about the Lana is just how structured it is and just how it looks like this. And then you can carry it, you know, all the way up here. I probably wouldn't do that. I'd probably just carry it like this. I don't know. I'm just obsessed. I'm so happy. I'm gonna go into this bag because I wanna wear this tomorrow and rock it. And yeah, it's just so cute. So guys, that's it. So were you guys a little shocked when I revealed this bag? I mean, knowing that I like what I like, and you guys kind of know me that I like more bigger bags, but what do you guys think? Do we love the Lana 19? Do you have other Lanas? Do you feel like I made a mistake here? I don't know. I mean, now I'm like, golly, should I get the shoulder bag? Because the Lana shoulder bag would make such a great computer bag, work bag. And then you can have like the other two just as your everyday carry. So, but that's all I got for you guys. So thank you so much for watching. And I don't think I have anything more for you. I do want to do a comparison of the Brooklyn 28 to the Lana 23. And I know I want to film that because those are two bags that are still currently sold at Coach right now. And I know they're kind of more like entry, like, you know, they're not the most priciest bags. So they are kind of more accessible to the mainstream, like for people to buy. And that's the other thing I want to say is that this bag was only $295. So I feel like it's a good price. The Lana 23 is $395. So if this is too small, go for this one. Here's what they look like side by side. There is a big difference. And then here's what they look like bottom to bottom, like that. And like this is a good medium, smallish medium bag. This is definitely compact. Like it is a compact bag. But you know what? For some reason I make it work. And I think it's just because I carry a lot of petite SLGs in my bags and I rarely size up on my SLGs. So anywho, thanks guys. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your weekend. Take care. Bye-bye.